We here at Cranbourne East Primary School acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today, the Bunurong people, and pay our respects to the elders past, present and emerging.
We would also like to acknowledge any Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander people we have here today.
We will now sing the Australian National Anthem. In doing so, we will demonstrate two of our school values, responsibility and respect. When we sing with pride and stand up straight.
When we finish, we sit down quietly and listen for what is coming up next.
Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts, all beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains then let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Well, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to this week's Cranbourne East Primary School Weekly Online Assembly. Well, I'm really excited for our movie night this evening. It's going to be a wonderful activity and a great opportunity to invite our students and parents into the school after well over 2 years. So I'm looking forward to seeing all our students and families here this evening. The next point is you may have seen all the work that's been going on in our sustainable garden at the school. I'm pleased to report that garden will be ready for us to work in there and start planting out all the garden beds, well, hopefully very early next week. Reminder, children, you may have seen our buddy benches around the school, just near the library. Those buddy benches are really important because if we have anyone in the school that doesn't have anyone to play with at recess or lunch, we'd like you to go and sit on that bench, and I know very soon somebody will come along and talk to you. The other great thing is that we've got 2 dental vans on site at the moment, and once again it's a wonderful opportunity to provide a service, dental inspections and dental work for our students. And the other great thing is that there's no cost involved. So, yeah, wonderful opportunity. And I just want to thank Mr. Music over here for organising those dental vans. And the final thing I'd like to finish off with today is just to send out a really big thank you to Mrs. Wrigley, because Mrs. Wrigley cooked the most incredible chocolate cake with the best chocolate icing on top. She brought that in yesterday and we were able to enjoy that for morning tea. So thank you, Mrs. Wrigley. I just want you to know your chocolate cake was very well received. All right, thank you, everybody. Take care and remember to read every single evening at home.